shopping with me here in General Santos City. I'm now here in Una Cafe. Right here, not my first time, pero gabi kasi yung punta ko dito nun. Hopefully there's a chair. I ordered one of their bestsellers. Okay, I already ordered Cafe Moya. I tried their salted caramel oat milk coffee last time and I liked it, and I'm gonna try one of their best sellers as well today. And I will be working for my upcoming flea market in Baguio City this coming November 14 to 15, and it will be in Eco Building near UB, yung McDonald's doon, yung upper floor ng McDonald's doon, guys. And I'm gonna upload this real time, so ayun, hopefully I'll be able to upload it right now on my YouTube account. And guys, this is located in PG Building along the way na papunta sa KCC, Veranza, and Robinsons. So you guys can see it along the highway lang. And their food is really good. Yung beef masala nila, yun yung fave ko dito. And I wanna have that before I go home sa Manila. And guys, I already ordered Cafe Moya and I liked it. It's strong, it's creamy, and yung salt cream niya, it's good. It's similar to what I do sa Cafe Sangria, and very good. Guys, I found a good morning that di ako naligaw. Right here. Finish the matcha already. Guys, we're off to our next stop. This is Milky Coffee and Bake Bar. Ngayon ko lang siya na-research and hindi ako naligaw ulit. It's here. Guys, the taste is very similar to what I use. Yung cinnamon standard coffee ko. Yeah, but I don't serve it sa coffee shop. But I might in this upcoming flea market this coming November 14th to 15th. It tastes the same. It tastes the same. So this is the last cafe that I will be visiting here in Jensen because this is our last day already. But we will go to Davao tomorrow. So what a way to end my coffee hopping here in Jensen. Beautiful buffet. Here that is here. Let's make sure to try it. It's very good.